Hi, Tatay Trader here, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we will plot our plan into chart for next week's trading. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, please like, share, and subscribe. At i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated tuwing may bago akong i-share. Alright, so let's start.
Okay, so today is Friday and we're gonna plan our day for today's trading. Okay, so we are gold at 1 minute. So I plot support and resistance earlier, so we can save a lot of time explaining on how to execute those plans. Okay, so I will just make visible of support and resistance that I marked. Okay, so this is it. So I marked this one as daily support because if we turn to daily chart, we can see that this one here is a clear support. So yesterday's candle touched it and shoot up, bounce up for how many pips? Let's see. 233 pips, so that's plenty. But at today's close, it become bearish again, so came down 200 pips again. And for today, I think this support, daily support, is pretty solid. So let's see if this one does not break. I think if this one do not break, gold has tendency to change its trend from downtrend to uptrend. So let us see. So first I will delete. So going back to our chart. So okay, so this is daily. So I plot only one support because gold has a very long support. If you look on the left part of the chart, and I will check the weekly support for us to see for support monthly and weekly. So there you go. So we are also standing on weekly support. So this support is pretty solid. If it does not break, again the gold will shoot up. So there you go. So these are the weekly and monthly supports. So if I turn on the daily support, daily support. Okay, so there you go. So the weekly and daily supports are almost coinciding lines. So this zone is very much the buying zone that I was looking for. So if the price goes to this zone, I will just buy it. If it breaks, then I sell. Okay, and my SL is, or stop loss, is this week. So what's this? Let's just see. What's the SL price? This one is 1,614 price stop loss. Okay, so go. If the price today goes lower than this, or if the price next week goes lower than this, then I think the gold will fall down even further, and eventually going to next support, which is the monthly support. So that is 1,622. So that's that. So okay, so going back, let's turn off this weekly and daily support. This one, and this one. So okay, this is the only support that I plot for the day, because the next support will be very, very far from this price. Okay, so go to 4 hours. So as we can see, the price yesterday, this one, the green candle touches the daily support zone, H1 to daily support zone, and bounces high until this level. So I think this one is 1 hour resistance yesterday. So there you go. This is resistance. This is resistance yesterday. Okay. So it bounces from this support to this resistance, then go back down again. Okay. So we discuss for 4 hours first before going to 1 hour. So this one, um, the gold we observe first if the price will go through this zone, our buying zone. Then if the price is in this zone, we buy. We layer buy. Okay. So that's it. So 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. So this is 1 hour. This is what happened yesterday. So this one, the resistance reject the price, so it goes down again. But the bullish side of gold, the prices shoots up with this very big engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle. So I just thought yesterday that gold will fly, but it didn't. So H4 and daily, H4 daily and H1 resist and reject this price, this bullish candle. It rejects down heavy. So from this to yesterday's low, so that's 200 pips. So very nice if you sell here. Okay. So why does this reject the price? Because it's this is the reason. Because as you can see that this one is the previous support. I'll mark it as green candle. Okay. So this one is the support, but okay, we are on H4 time frame. So this was the first support, this one. Then it tested again this one and it shoot up. So this is a valid support. This one is a valid support. So because from this point, the price went up. For how much? That's 200 pips. Okay. So again, this zone, this buying support zone, is tested plenty of times. Then this candle broke down. So this support automatically become resistance for this, because support when it breaks become resistance. Okay, so that's very clear. So this zone resists. Okay, so that's very clear. Okay, so I'll demonstrate or illustrate the price action that's happened to further. Okay, so this one supports this support. Oops, sorry. This supports. So again, when the price goes down, this one also support up, and also this up. But when the price goes down, it breaks. When it breaks, okay, this one breaks, then the price goes up to this level, to this zone again. This one becomes resistance. So this goes down. Okay, so that's very clear. Okay, so let's remove this. Oops. Just remove this arrow. Okay. Okay, so again, this is our zone. So it's now clear. Okay, let's delete. Okay, so for 1 hour, that's what happened. So that's why the bullish candle, even though this is a bullish engulfing candle, it respects the the support being resistance. Okay, so again, this is a temporary, the gray area, the gray zone, is temporary support because it's very near the price but still a resistance. So that's why I mark it as a gray area. So the next entry, if we are willing to sell this one, this area. So this is 32, 1632, 1634. So that's 20 pip zone. This is our selling area if we want to sell. And again, if you want to buy, this is our zone, 1622 to 24. Okay. So I'm just waiting for this. My bias is to go long, but there is a very strong selling pressure. So I should very take caution for this trade. So if I'm wrong, just gonna cut and I will look for a retracement sell. Okay. So that's it for this today's planning. So see you. Thank you.